Please look at the brilliantly attracting industrial sewing machine, WR-588. This is a high-speed, steady, intelligent web sewing machine. It adopts the latest design stubborn model control the feeding, which can precisely control the timing and trajectory of the feeding, and is suitable for sewing all sorts of fabrics. The sewing machine has a total of 9 checks. The needle distance can be adjusted accurately to 0.9 mm and the maximum can be adjusted to 7 mm. It widely applied to a variety of fabrics. The thickest can sew 8 layers of denim. Stable motor can show lifting fluid, simple structure, and high reliability. Its shearing